today I'm going to try to fix this Panerai. I just did a long video, like a 30-minute video, which I'll also post, where I was going to try to do it and then I just talked the whole time. So this time I'm going to really try to focus on the watch. But there are a couple things I wanted to say about it. One is that this is a Series A Panerai Luminor Base PAM 010 from 1998. And these sell for, this is a Series A 1998 for $18,000 for a Luminor Marina. And this is a Luminor Base in black for $13,000. And this is a pretty much a one-of-a-kind white dial black PVD case. And I was recently in the Panerai boutique in Geneva, and I talked to the manager about this watch, and he looked it up, and he was like, "This watch shouldn't exist because they don't have a record of making a white dial with a black case." But at that time, Panerai was kind of in chaos. It just changed hands from whoever owned it before to Vendome, which became Richemont, and it does exist, and it hasn't been recased or anything. So I think it's a really special watch, and special in the sense that it's probably unique and it's probably the most valuable watch that I own. But the thing I want to, the repair I'm going to do is, or attempt, is right now, let's see if, I'm not sure if it's working. So right now you can see, even when I pull the hand out to set it, it won't go into setting mode. If I play with it enough, eventually it will, but right now it's problematic. So I know from other watches what I need to do. This is kind of fun just because this is a pocket watch, and you can see that it's the same size movement. Basically, but because this is dialless, this watch was part of the $80 worth of used watch parts that I bought a while back, and you can see when you go into setting mode, you can see what happens is I wish I remembered the name of the gear, but basically this little gear that holds the yoke, I think it's called under there. Anyway, that gear pulls that out. I'm sorry, the yoke has to push the gear to engage with the setting gear. So the yoke is not pushing the gear. The yoke has probably popped up and is moving without pushing the gear. Anyway, this is an ETA movement. I forget the number, 952 or something like that. This is an ETA movement. They're probably very similar under the dial. So it should be fun to get this going. Now, see, I said I was not going to talk. I've just talked for 4 minutes, and whatever. I'm going to try not to do that because I'm talking actually. As anybody knows who's watched this channel, I talk a lot, but it doesn't speed things up. So this is like an exercise in self-discipline for me. I also think talking is kind of important. Well, let me just think about that for a second. I think it's interesting to do an experiment. For one thing, this is a very valuable watch. I don't really want to mess it up. So I think if I focus and don't talk, it'll be interesting. I don't think I can do it without talking. I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, so that was the problem actually. Sorry, I have to interrupt my silence. The problem was that screw, that the stem release screw was loose, so it was not properly pulling down on the frame that holds the spring that pulls the yoke. That's my belief. So I can put it back together. Maybe I should keep the microscope going. That was interesting, like just a brief moment of focus without talking. I've seen people do this. I want to see how much difference this makes. Casing cushion is too flexible. That does seem like a useful technique. So I'm not resealing the gasket on this because I'm not, I should have done the gasket on the stem as well, or the O-rings. Let's just see if that fix worked. let's see what this, I had just regulated this in the last video I shot. So that seems fine. 6 seconds per day. So that's what a Panerai looks like without the crown guard. I have a hard time remembering. Oh, it's right in that video. This is the correct way for the crown guard to go on. Mm. So I think I could talk for a second. So I paid about $2,500 for this watch in 1999 in a flea market in São Paulo, Brazil. And I didn't know anything about watches at that time in terms of like, I didn't know what this brand was or the value of collecting or that it might go up in value or whatever. So I just wore it for a few years and beat it up. So it's not particularly precious despite the, technical value of it. Or technical, I don't know what I mean, market value, potential market value. But the, can't remember what I was going to say. Oh, I know, it's funny. It came with this beautiful box with probably even the original purchase papers. I don't remember, but beautiful box. The brochure, like not brochure, but like a booklet, a Panerai screwdriver. I think it came with 2 different types of band. One was like this, and one was like a yellow sport band. And as soon as I got it, I was like, oh, this box will be good for like putting tools in. So I ripped out the insides and just used it for a few years like a cigar box. And then I eventually just threw it all away. And now, like, not knowing, like I said, that was like in the year 1999, 2000. And now that the watch might be worth like 4 or 5 times what I paid for it, of course I realized the mistake of throwing away the box and everything. But at the time, I was just assuming that watch value just go down in time, and that's that. Okay, so that was cool. 24 minutes. I actually did fix the watch. I'm surprised, but imagine. I mean, that was like the most simple fix in the world. It's funny when I think about the fact that people can do complete restoration videos in 20 minutes. Of course, they're cutting it. I'm not cutting anything out, but that's it for this one. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed a short video for a change, and see you on the next one.